Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to click that subscribe button down below and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I post new videos. Today's video is going to be, as you can see on the title of this video, Get Unready with Me. Well, if you guys already watched my Get Ready with Me, you can see it's a very simple makeup that I'm actually wearing every time I am going to work. And this time I'm gonna show you how I remove my makeup, especially if I put a lot of products on my face. So as you can see, I'm already wearing my comfy t-shirt, and that's actually my number one step. Alright, so before we remove my makeup, I'm gonna tell you the products that I put on my face earlier. First product that I put on my face earlier, that's just I put actually a facial serum and my Natural Actor foundation cream, and then I set that a loose powder and eyebrows and lipstick and what else, nose contour, a bit of a nose contour and liquid eyeliner. That is basically it. I mean, I actually put a little bit of blush on my face earlier, but that's it. First, you want to take your wet wipes and then clean your face. This actually has makeup remover. Now after that, you can wash your face. Right now I'm done doing that step, so this is the second step that I'm doing after washing my face. This is an aloe vera moisturizing gel, 92% hydrating, repairing, and brightening. I cannot skip this step because this is the last step. Okay, just want to grab some product and put that on your face, and then yeah, spread the product all over your face. Yes, yes, yes. So I feel that my face is really hydrated and well moisturized. After you apply this aloe vera moisturizing gel, you can feel that your face is a bit dewy. There you have it, guys. We're done, and I hope you guys can give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below what would you like to see next on my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys! Bye guys! See you on the next